Understanding Fertilizer Burn, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a unique phrase, fertilizer burn. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Fertilizer burn refers to the damage caused to plants by over-fertilization. This term is literal and not an idiom. It occurs when too much fertilizer is applied, leading to a high concentration of salts in the soil, which in turn draws moisture out of the plant. This results in the burning or scorching of the plant's leaves and roots. It's a common mistake in gardening, but it's also a great metaphor for overdoing something to the point of causing harm. While fertilizer burn is a gardening term, it can be used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, if someone is working too hard and not taking breaks, you might say, "Be careful, you don't want to suffer from fertilizer burn." Here, it implies that too much of something, even if it's generally good, like hard work, can lead to negative consequences. For those interested in gardening, recognizing fertilizer burn is crucial. Symptoms include yellowing or browning of leaf edges, wilted leaves, and stunted growth. If you see these signs, consider reducing the amount of fertilizer and increasing watering to help dilute the concentration of salts in the soil. Preventing fertilizer burn involves using the correct amount of fertilizer and applying it properly. If you suspect your plant has suffered from fertilizer burn, stop fertilizing and water generously to flush out excess salts. Remember, less is often more when it comes to fertilization. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of fertilizer burn in both gardening and everyday English contexts. Remember, it's a great way to remind ourselves and others not to overdo things. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!